Some of the customer very nice, they give you tips. Some of the customer they scold you very nasty things. Like why you so slow, say all the bad things and you.
We put icing sugar, we put cream of tartar, we put lemon juice, and we put vanilla, and then we stir it until it firm, and we mix it with the dark chocolate and confit, and we stir it, and we bake it for 1 hour.
而且他是很容易照顾啦，他不会给我添什么麻烦啦。偶尔是会发脾气啦 ，but OK 啦，然后我就知道了吧。有时候就给他发脾气咯，我就不要睬他咯，那一下子他就好了。
Somehow or another, I cannot remember who broke the news out to me, and I actually, like felt disappointed. Cause like I didn't manage to perform well. Hi, I'm Lydia. I'm 26 years old this year. What I like to do during my free time is to catch up on movies.
Hi, my name is Mr. Binti Syafrin. I'm 26 years old this year.
Hi, 我是 Wendy Tay. Then this is my son Sherman.
Hi, my name is Elton. I'm 30 years old. I'm currently working in bonus features as a cashier.
Elson, during work, he's very hardworking. So, and he doesn't complain about work. He's very positive about what he's doing. He's also very resilient. So if anything, if he does wrong, he will keep on trying to do better. He's also very observant with regards to the customers around him. He knows that certain customers need certain things, then he will help them.
My first job is the bonus feature. Second job is Gainful and Food Panda. Monday and Wednesday I still got training after work. I represented Singapore in Spain and Beijing in cup throw.
When my first day, I went to Dignity Kitchen. I was very scared and not able to open my mouth at all to say good morning to everyone.
When I first see her, she is not even prepared to join the course and was very shy and did not want to open up. Each time she hear voices, the voices ask her to kill herself. Oh my gosh. I look around, ask people who had schizo before, how should I deal with? Now she's so happy, she do here, but she's very happy now. She can work faster, she managed to sleep.
那我就直接生了，我就顾2个了，我就没有再找工作了。他是有做工的 ，initially 是5天是在 workshop， 然后现在他说不要每天来 ，then 2天就去做 sales， 1天来 workshop 就好了。那我就觉得这样2天在家做什么？那我不要给他在家嘛。那在家他就是看他的 tape， 一直看他的戏。如果放工回来看这些 OK 啦，娱乐啦。I mean， 如果你一整天这样也是不行嘛，对不对
？A lot of people focus on the child, but they miss the most important point, the caregiver. So this parent and child thing comes up. So we train the child, we actually help the caregivers together. So like if you look at one of my mama store now, the bookshop, and the idea is that if I can take 5 mother and 6 children, the mother has a break. The mother can do what they do. The idea is to give them back, not just the child's dignity, but the mother's dignity as well. It was started way back in 2006. The idea was to return dignity to the disabled and disadvantaged through vocation with passion. So the idea is to skill them first, give them a job. Because once they are employed, they can earn money. Let them integrate back to society. And more important, get society to accept them.
My dream is to open a high-class cafe and I will be serving good pastry, meringue cookies, good food, and Michelle will be having free meal for me.
So I hope that more employers can give employment opportunities to those with special needs, as very often they actually can contribute to the company and society. It's just that they don't have the opportunity to do so.
My dream is to support my parents, to tell myself or get a job and then get an income so that I can support myself lah, and at the same time I can also like support my parents.
If I can inculcate a world where people look beyond themselves, look beyond money, look beyond relationship, I think people will be a much happier world.